Did you know that there are remote jobs that you can do at the comfort of your home? Continue watching this video to learn about remote jobs that you can do as your side hustle, your part-time job, or your full-time job. It's all about your choice. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about finance. If you are watching this and you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. The first job I'll be sharing with you is to be a transcriber. If your typing speed is excellent, then you should consider this job. What do transcribers do? They listen to audios and write whatever they hear. Whosoever you'll be working with will send you audios for you to write down whatever you are hearing. So if you consider doing this, make sure you are in a quiet environment because you need no distraction. You need to make sure you don't make a mistake when writing whatever you are hearing. What are the requirements to become a transcriber? Well, it's nothing much, nothing difficult, nothing. You will need good hearing skills because you are listening. Sometimes the audio volume is so low that you are unable to hear very well. Also, an excellent grammar, good typing skills. In fact, not even good, excellent typing skills. Why am I repeating typing skills? Because you are paid according to how fast you type. So the faster you type, the better your chances of getting more audios to transcribe. If you are familiar with your keyboard, then this is a good way to go. If you are not familiar, do not be discouraged. Practice and apply. The good thing about this job is you don't need a certificate to start the job. You have to know that you get paid per audio minute, not per word, nothing. That is why it is really important to type fast. Not just fast, but correctly as well. Transcriptionists can earn around $15 per hour, and an advanced transcriptionist can earn around $25 to $30 an hour. That's a lot of money, right? Just by listening and typing. Where can you find transcription jobs? There are a lot of places you can find transcription jobs. I'm going to be naming some for you. We have transcribeme.com, we have Rev, Daily Description, Audio Transcription Center, Upwork, Fiverr, Indeed, and so on and so on. If you're going to work for a hospital or clinic, anything that has to do with medicine, they always require someone who has a bachelor's degree or a certificate in that field. They do require that. Why? Because you as a medicine student or someone who is familiar with those terms will be easy for you to write down whatever you are hearing, even if the person does not say it loud. But you, as someone, for example, that have no clue with anything that has to do with medicine, cannot do it because whatever you hear, even if it's an error, you are going to type it. You don't want to make an error while transcriptioning. The second one we'll be talking today is virtual assistant. What is a virtual assistant? It is someone who provides administrative services to clients from a remote location, usually from home. There are a lot of things that a virtual assistant can do, from making calls, from setting appointments, from responding emails, from making travel arrangements, from posting on your client's Facebook account, Twitter, YouTube. There are a lot of things that you can do as a virtual assistant. There is no limit. The key here is to assist someone doing the job. That is all you can understand by virtual assistant. What do you need to become a virtual assistant? You need good communication skills, not just between you and your client, but also for the clients of your client. You also need good computer skills. This is a modern world. I believe everybody should be familiar with a computer. Knowing your left and right in your computer, I think should be enough. The average salary for a virtual assistant is $19.78 per hour, just in the comfort of your home. I remember when I did this, there was this lady that just wanted someone to call her clinic and cancel her appointment. And guess how much was it? $20 for just calling a clinic and saying, hey, I'm calling on behalf of this person. She won't be able to make it. Can we reschedule? And that was it. That was a call of less than 5 minutes. Where can you get those jobs as a virtual assistant? There are a lot of places that you can find jobs as a virtual assistant. We have Upwork, we have Fiverr, we have Indeed, we have a lot of places. I'll be placing somewhere here so you can see and apply. The third one is to be a translator. If you are blessed to know two languages, then why don't you make use of what you know? You can translate from Spanish to English, from English to Spanish, from French. There are a lot of languages. People are struggling to translate maybe a book, a document, or anything. You can make money out of that. You don't need a certificate in order to do that. There might be certain documents, legal documents, that you will need to have a certificate as a certified translator, but 90% of translating jobs, like translating videos, translating audios, you don't need that. So why don't you go ahead, create an account on Fiverr, on Upwork, and other websites, or search other places and make money out of that. The fourth one is teaching. It can be teaching English, it can be teaching any other type of subject. Teaching online is a great way to make money. You have to know that in order to teach online, some requirements are you need to have a bachelor's degree. It does not really matter what bachelor's degree. And some companies will require you to have a teaching certificate, which you can have that certificate in less than a month. The course is all about basic English. They just want to know your level of understanding English. They just want someone who can speak English fluently. You can apply for a teaching job in these websites, VipKit and QKit. When applying for those, you have to know that there is time difference. The good thing about this teaching job is you choose your schedule, you choose the amount of children that you want to teach. Sometimes it's individually and sometimes it's a group. And the age group for these kids are from 5 years, sometimes 12 years, sometimes 15 years. You don't have to stress yourself in getting your syllabus ready and everything. As soon as you get accepted, they give you everything, the syllabus, everything. All you have to do or all you have to get ready with is your computer and your good internet. And also make sure that your background looks like a school environment. You don't want to be having a background with pictures and stuff like that distracting your students. No, since you'll be teaching, if that's going to be the age range that you'll be teaching, you want to have colorful stuff. It's going to give that air to the child that he or she is in class. If your plan is to teach other subjects, then you can check jobs at my tutor lab as a tutor for different subjects, not just for English language. You can earn $14 to $18 per hour plus incentives working as a teacher in VipKit. With QKids, teachers earn between $16 to $20 per hour. The majority of the teachers earn not less than $18 per hour. The fifth one is to become a resume writer. If you have succeeded in having beautiful and positive feedbacks about how your resume looks from people or companies, then what are you waiting for? Offer your services to others. Make some money. The average salary people pay to others for their resume is between $15 to $25. You can apply as a resume writer in Resume Edge. You can also offer your services to friends. You can offer your services on Facebook, anywhere online. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be sharing more jobs with you in my next videos, as well as things that you can do to make money online and many other videos about finance. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell to be notified, like the video, leave a comment, and of course, share with friends and family members. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.